Oh my god. Hey, what is up, guys? SPC Des Moines 3460 here, and supposedly there's a severe thunderstorm watch for northern Missouri, and it could be crossing into southern Iowa, which is what the National Weather Service is saying. That there's a risk of severe weather, and I don't know, a tornado cannot be ruled out, but it could be possible. And it is pouring over here in Des Moines. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hardcore rains here in Des Moines. They should have sent out a flash flood watch. It is pouring over here. We haven't got any alerts. I've only been doing a self-activation of my my Midland H54V.